Hey guys, good morning. Very good morning. So everyone in holidays mood. Solace members went to home. So when you people are going home today, Arre, because of me only you stayed today. Huh? Sorry for that. I'm giving one more extra holiday, no? Wednesday. Wednesday. You have all day from Sunday to Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So many days. Amma. So many days. So next class on Thursday. Next class on Thursday. To the next class. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, anyhow you are holidays. Yeah, I heard about some people will enroll on after festival, after holidays. So enroll that the course. So no new announcement, only one announcement. Next class on Thursday. Okay, don't come to the Naresh IT building. Okay, don't come to the Naresh IT building. Come on only Thursday. Thursday is the next class, especially for offline. Anyhow, online people they will attend online only, right? You come only on Thursday. Yeah, great. Let's open Python file. Then how many don't have Google Classroom access? Raise your hands. One, only one person. Why? Today evening. Raise your hands. Two. And some people have three. Oh, some people already have access, but they are not accepted. Kirti Sheru and Odaru Pungas. Pasupuleti. Okay. And some people will let to enroll. Some people will let to enroll and some people will not in the Google Classroom notes. Yeah, let's see that. Open Jupyter Notebook. Go to your documents, that folder. Open Python sessions. So let's take the new folder today. Python. Python session. Today I will stay extra half an hour. Those who have doubts, you can talk to me, okay? Python session 5. You can leave after the class. I will stay. Okay, basic codes. What I will see, just observe that students are like kind of different types. First of all, they never practice. Okay, they never practice. Become before the class. Before the class, they never practice. And second thing is, they never listen the properly also in the class. They never listen in the class. 100% effort. 100% effort. And finally, they will say that, sir, I did not understand. I did not understand. They will say this. Okay. How can I identify they are not practicing, they are not listening? Out of the class, the 80% people are understanding, 20% is not understanding, means you are not listening properly. That is the first thing. Second thing is, they never showed their work to me where you have done, they did not understand. If you write code only, then only you will get right. If you write code only, then only you will understand. Show me your work. If I ask them, they will not show their work. Okay. Then I will easily understood that they are not practicing before the class and they are not listening properly. They are simply will come when class time will come and they will go. So this will not works. First of all, if you are in that kind of category, data science is not suitable for you. Okay. Data science is not suitable for you. If you do that kind of thing, I will give a belt treatment to you. Okay. Okay, I will give a belt. I will take not belt, I will not hit you. Okay. Belt treatment is different. If you are that kind of approach, if you take. So I will see some people in the past, they never talk anything in the class. One girl is there. She didn't talk anything in the class. Okay. And she said that, sir, I don't understand yesterday class. When class is going on, you didn't talk anything. Sir, I not understand this. Please repeat that you are not asking. And tomorrow you are coming and you are saying that you not understand the class. Then show me your work, what you have done. Okay. And the twist is a different twist. That is very highlight. What is that highlight? Is she is listening on mobile, not laptop also. She is listening through mobile. I'll just show you that. How it is happened. Let's see. Let's see. We don't have class. That only I discuss. I will see again. See it. Now, what is the step one I have written here? Take a bill as bill equal to how much? What is the second step I have written? Inside the function, tip equal to 100. What is third I have given? Fourth I have given this. Now see how they will do. Here only. She has written this code, okay? She has written this code. What is the first step? Correct. First step is correct. What is the second step? The third step she is written like this. Global total amount equal like this he provided. What is the third step I provided? What the fourth step I provided? She combined 3 plus 4. She combined 3 plus 4. Okay. And she did not actually provide it here. She did not provide it here. Second step also actually wrong. I provided clearly here. Okay. So then I modified here below. This is her code and this is my code. What is the first step? Bill equal 1000. What is the second step? Create a function. Inside function, what I mentioned? What is the third step? What is the fourth step? If every step is there here. That's it. So like that, peoples are there. They will not listen properly, first of all. And they will say that. And one more guy is there. Okay. Let's see. I provided here give quotes 1, quotes 2, quotes 3, quotes 4, and they give normal 1, normal 2, normal 3, normal 4. Normal 1 meaning what? Integer. Quotes 1 means what? Error aata? Then I need to explain again after 1 week, that same thing. Yesterday we learned, right? Again I need to explain that after 1 week. So what is that meaning? Because you're not practicing. Simple. You're not practicing, that is. And he's literally saying that, sir, you said that don't give integer. But I said don't give integer. But I said give the quotes here, right? The WhatsApp chat is there. Once this class is over, I will forward this chat. Now you'll understand how the people are there. Okay. So my request, what is that is practice every day. If you are not practice for this first month, you will be lack. You will be lost. Entire course you will be lost. Entire course. So that's why I am teaching from very scratch. You need to practice every day and you need to ask the doubts. That is your job. In the class itself, I will explain 100 times in the class. But if you are not now, tomorrow you are coming, you are asking same question, means I will ask your work first. I will ask your work. Show me your work, then I can help you. Show me your work, then I can help you. So that is the approach. So definitely, if you do this kind of things, I will give the bell treatment. Remember that. Data science is not suitable for those who are not practice. And present your 100% attendance in the class. Attention should be 100%. If you're not asked, immediately ask me. Yesterday I spent 10-15 minutes more. Yesterday you went, but I went late. Okay, after 10 minutes, 15 minutes only I went. Only one person came to me. Then I went. Actually, trainer will be not like that. Trainer will be close. If 10:30 minutes, 10:25 only they will close and they will go. Because I have logged into office. So I'm sacrificed that half an hour. I'm spending more half an hour, 9:30. After 9:30, what happened? After evening, I'm going to do my office work again. Because that office work is not finished in the daytime. Again, I'm spending 2 more hours. Then my sleeping time disturbed. Again, I'm sleeping at 4 o'clock. Okay. Again, 6 o'clock is class. Yesterday, my sleeping time was disturbed. I am seeing some web series, Kalapani. Okay. That web series I watched till 3 o'clock. Till 3 o'clock. That is very good web series. So I will see today also. That is. So what happened means I'm trying to say that I'm spending time here and you have a labs also is there in the upper. You have a mentors is available. Practice. Okay. First 1 month is very, very crucial. First 1 month is very, very crucial. The number 1 is equal to 100 and number 2 is equal to 200. Now, if I run this, if I run number 2, okay, number 1 and number 2. So, which answer is coming first? 200. So, 100 is not coming, right? 100 is not coming. And what is the latest one? That is 200 is latest one. So, it is coming. So, it is generally printing. It is coming. In order to, you want to see both answers. In order to, if you want to see both answers, we need to use a keyword called print keyword. What is the keyword? Print. So that's why generally people will say print the value, right? So it is a print keyword. It is a print keyword. Print keyword. So let's see how it will come. The same thing I am taking, ma. Same thing I am taking. Now, instead of just number, we need to provide print of print, print bracket. So print is a keyword, so it should become in the green color. So again, print of. Again, print of. So number 1 equal to 100. Now it will print 2 answers. One is 100, another one is 200. One is 100, another one is 200. Now you see, Python is a step-by-step process. What is the first meaning, ma? 100 is saved in a variable number 1. And then 200 is saved in a variable number 2. 100 is saved in a variable number 1. 200 is saved in number 2. And what is the third statement? You are printing the value. Printing the value of number 1. That is equal to 100. And next, what you are doing? Printing the value of number 2. That is equal to 200. These all 4 steps are happening. These all 4 steps are happening. The 4 statements. The 4 statement. Just print it. Print of something. And whatever you write inside the print. So print of, I am writing suppose hello. Okay, print of, I am writing hello. Hello is in which color? Red color. Red color means what? It is a string. Red color means what? It is a string. So it will print hello. Print hello means print hello. Now print how, print or print you. All 4 statements will come. Print hello, how, or you. All 4 statements will come. So ready string. Suppose if I print normal hello, what will happen? What will come? Error will come. What error will come? But when error will come? When error will come? So after these 4 statements, error will come. Python is a step-by-step process. Python is a step-by-step process, a compiler. Inside it is a compiler, step-by-step. So what is the first step? What is the first step? First step, it will print hello. In the step 1, no error. No error, the answer is hello. Second step, step 2, what no error, answer is how. And step 3, again no error, answer is R. Step 4, that is U. And step 5, we try to print hello, but hello is what here? Hello is a variable. Is try to check what is the variable of hello. In the above, have you initialized before or not? It will check that is hello initialized above. Is hello is there above? Is hello is there above? Here no hello, here no hello, here no hello, and then it will give the error. And that which error ma? Name error. What is the error? Name error. That means name hello not defined. Name hello not defined. It is very, very frequent error, ma. You will make the mistake. And whenever you see this kind of mistake, immediately what is your trigger point? You need to check the variable name hello is initialized above or not. What you need to check is hello is initialized or not. Then now see what the error is coming. See, all the 4 steps is running properly. First step is what? Hello. Second step is how. Third step is R. Fourth step is U. And fifth step is hello is checking, but hello is not available. Hello is checking, but hello is not available before. So that's why you are getting error. Name hello is not defined. This is very, very important to understand the error. What is the meaning of this error? Tell me. Whenever you see anything, it's kind of error. Suppose, if I'm seeing, suppose, value 1, immediately what should come in your mind? There is no variable. There is no variable with name value 1. There is no variable. There is no variable with value 1. That is immediately you need to check. Immediately you need to check in the above. Now suppose I provided one more thing, print of number 1. Is number 1 is initialized before? What is the value of number 1? So what is the answer? Tell me, what is the answer now? Hello will come? How will come? Or will come? You will come? Hello? Error. Then number 1? Number 1 also will not come. Python is a step-by-step process. That you should not forget. If one step is error will come, it will not go front. If one step is error will come, it will not go another statement. Now run it. Hello, how are you? Then error is there. Now there is no 100. See, there is no 100. Always remember, Python is a step-by-step process. If you get error at 200th line, 201 line is will not work. Okay, you written 500 lines of code. Assume that you written 500 lines of code. 500 lines of code. You got error. You got error at 200 line. After 200 line, the 2012 to 500 will not run, will not execute. Python is a step-by-step process. Any code now onwards, don't be lazy. Now think like a Python, step by step. Even a single output also, you need to think like a computer. Okay, then your mind will tune for next 2 years. Then you can able to understand any programming language in future. Okay, we need to train our mind. We need to train our mind. Why we'll do the exercise daily? We'll train our body to resistance power, right? If suddenly your heart is increased 170, then what will happen? You will die. But suppose if you do exercise daily, your heart will go 150, 160 or not. Then your heart will train. Even the sudden rise also, I can cope up. That's why you need to exercise daily. In the same way, your mind also, you need to tune your mind. Step by step process. Because human being directly will jump the answer, right? But computer will not do like that. Computer will go one step, one step, one step. So clear, right? Very good. Now next. Now if I do print of number 1, comma number 2. Number 1, comma number 2. What is the answer? Print of number 1, comma number 2. Number 1 is what is the value? 100, comma 200. That's it. Print means generally whatever you want to show, that is a print. Now I want, in my mind, I want to show like this. In my mind, I want to show 100, comma 200. I want to show like this. That comes in my mind. So that's why what I am doing? Number 1, comma number 2. That only. Now what is the 100 here? Number 1, comma. What is the 200? Number 2. That's it. 100, comma 200. Suppose in your mind is coming 100, comma 200. Like this coming in your mind. So what you need to do? Print of number 1 and print of number 2. That's it. How your mind is thinking, how you want to print, and that only you need to write. That only you need to write. Suppose I want to print like this. 100 some dash 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 and next 200 some dash dash dash. Now tell me how you'll do. print of number 1, then print of dash dash dash, then print of number 2, then print of dash dash dash, like that, simple, step by step. So first I will replace print of number 1, print of number 1, and then print of dash 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 is a value or it is a another value. It is a number. It is not a number, right? It is not a variable. So you should write in strings only. Write in strings only. Then print of 200, and then print of again, suppose star star star. Then 100 dash 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 200 star star star. Easy. Very good. Very good. Only Priyanka, Srushti, and Suresh, Nikita saying the answers out of 40 members. Now next print. Hi, comma, how, comma, or, comma, you. In the print, how many you are printing? That you need to check. How many commas separated, that many values are there. That only, right? Number 1, comma, number 2, see here. How many values are there inside print? 2 values. 2 values separated by what? Comma. Here, how many values are there? 4 values. 4 values separated by comma. 4 values separated by comma. The same thing you can write like this also. In single line also you can write, hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Now this is entire thing is one value. Here 4 values. Here how many values? 4 values. Here entire thing is 1 value. Sorry. Entire thing is 1 value. How many values? 4 values. You are good. Very great. Now let's see one more thing. Print of hi is there and print of how is there. But I want output is hi, how, like this I need output. Which means I want to join multiple print statements. What I want to do? Multiple print statements. And don't say me that, sir, you can write hi, how, then why multiple print statements? Okay. Don't say that. So hi is there, how is there, you want to join. So what is the next thing, ma? Joining the multiple print statements. Joining multiple print statements. Joining multiple print statements. Joining multiple print statements. That only. I know, right? This is, I can write this, Priyanka. Okay. I can write this. This is not my interest. This is not my interest. Okay. This is not my interest. My interest is what? Multiple print statement. How many print statement here? 1. Here, how many print statements are there? Even though you provided 2 print statements, my answer should come like side by side. Understood question? Understood? Now, for that we need to use a operator called AND operator. What is the operator? AND, E-N-D. The operator name is called E-N-D. AND operator. Now look at the board. Which one you want to join? With the starting one, you need to write comma, E-N-D. What do you want to write? Comma, E-N-D, and is equal to empty string. Is equal to empty string. So E-N-D equal to empty string. And equal to empty string. Then what happened? Hi, how came. But look at the screen. Where is the gap? Gap is not there. Then you need to again enter bar, space bar. Now run it. The gap will come. That how much this width space is there, that much space will come. Before what happened here? No space. Here no space, right? So that's why what happened? No space. Now what happened? I'm providing space. Then enter space. Again do one more thing. Space. Again do one more thing. Space. Now you don't want space. Sir, I don't want shape. I want some symbol. Suppose and. Then how? What is the answer? Hi and how. Hi and how. That means joining the two print statement. How you want to join? Who will help? End operator will help. So end is inside what you want to provide. Suppose I want to provide some arrow. I want to provide some arrow. Then what will come? Hi, arrow, how. Like this. Yeah, note down this. End operator. Yeah, we can do that also. Srishti is saying that, sir, you can do like this. Okay. What she's saying that, let's do. She's saying that print high. Okay. Print high and print how. And two are coming. So I'm giving E and D equal to like this. E and D equal like this. So no gap is coming, right? She's saying that give gap here. Okay. Then what happened? Gap will come. Because what happening here? High will come and how much gap is there? Whatever inside quotes is there, that will print. That you need to fix in your mind. Whatever you write inside the quotes, that will come. Here inside code, what is there? Space is there. That's why space and how is coming. If you write inside quotes here some percentage, then what will come? High percentage, how will come. But if you write again space increase like this, again high, that space is coming from end operator and percentage how is coming from here. You can play with print now. Okay, if you how can you want to print, that is your wish. You want to provide gap, you want to provide and whatever it is. Now you don't want this. I want like this. I wanted some statement and I want write some statement. Then what will come? Hi and how. Again you want to gap again. Then provide here also is fine. Or you don't want gap here. Then provide here also fine. Provide here also fine. Then hi, gap and gap how. Hi. After that hi, what is there? Gap. Then what is there? And after what is there? Gap. Gap after what is there? How. You can do write anything. You can do write anyway. Yeah, note down this. Print how. Then next. Second line of end. End తీసేసి తీసేసి end తీసేసి end equal to only this. Only this. Nothing will come. It is used to join, right? It is used to, if you want to do claps, how will come? Claps. Two hands only claps will come. Join means what? How many statements it requires? Two. That's it. Then next, three. Now you tell me how can we do three? Print one, I am printing. Okay. Print two, I am printing. Okay. Print three, I am doing. Now if I provide end here, E end equal to. Okay. This end will combine these two statements. It will combine these two statements. Now run the answer. What is the answer is there? 1, 2, 3. Then your mind will say, where is one more end now? Here. Where is one more end? Here. End equal to. Again, this end will join 2, 3. Then answer is 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is multiple statements. Multiple statements. 1, 2, 3. And note down all. End operator. Yeah, let's do one question. Addition problem. Let's do simple problem addition. Number one equal to 100, 200. Number 2 is equal to 400. I'm taking a one more variable add equal to 200 plus 400. That means 200 plus 400 means what is that now here? Number 1 plus number 2. Now print of the addition of number 1 and number 2 is how much is coming? 600 like this. Number 1 and number 2 is 600. Now, what is the problem here? Without of this, whatever you are writing inside, that is coming. Now my answer is I want to print like this. I want to print like this. Now I want to print how print I like this. I want to print like this. But here the 600 is actually which variable, ma? Add variable. Tomorrow you will provide 2000, here 4000. What is the answer? 6000. Again you need to come to change here, right? So this is a bad coding. You should not write like this. This 6000, this 600 should be generalized. 600, 6000 should be what? Generalized. How can you get the generalized? Already this is giving. Add is giving the answer. So now remove that. The addition of number 1, number 2 is, because that is in red color. That is in red color. Now, comma. What do you provide? Comma. Here, whatever you write, that will print again. Now here I will print add. I will print add. Now what is coming? This, how many statements are there inside? 2 statements. One is a normal string. The addition of number 1, number 2 is comma. What is the one more thing is there? Add. Add is coming from where? In the above. Now here it will come. The number 1, addition of number 1, number 2 is 600. 6000. Understood? It's very simple. Yeah, note down like this. The addition of change, no? That is only, no? What is 20 plus 40? 60. Now what is the answer will come? The addition of number 1, number 2 is comma. What is the add is there? 60. Now run it. 60 will come. Otherwise, you need to keep on change here inside. 60, 6000, 600, everything you need to change. Now this is the generalized expression. Can you please confirm the chat? Everyone is good? You want pyramid pattern now only? That will chill. Kids will do, ma. Pyramid pattern, triangle pattern. That is. Now let's try it. I want the print statement like this. The addition of 20 and 40 is 60. Now instead of 20 is saved in which variable? Number 1. 40 is saved in which variable? Number 2. And 60 is saved in which variable? Add. Now everything is generalized. Everything is generalized. Do that. Try it. I need output like this. The addition of 20 and 40 is 60. Share your answer in the chat. Don't give like this. Print of the addition of. Now addition of means addition of is coming, right? Print of. Addition of means addition of is coming. Next what is there? 20. Next what is there? 40 is 60. Now this is not my use case. Now I want to replace this 20 and 40 and 60 with my variables. Because tomorrow I can change anything, right? I'll provide here 200. I'll provide here 400. Again, automatically it will change. Automatically the answer should come. The addition of 200 and 400 is 600. Automatically it should come. Automatically it should come. Try it. That only ma. Priyanka. See, what is the problem here? What is the problem here? Now the problem here, look at again, if you not understand, look at the screen. If I give 20 and 40 is fine, it will working, right? If I give 200 and 400, what is the answer? Is that correct? Is that correct? No, right? That is the problem. If you give 2000 here, if you give 4000 here, what is the answer? 20 and 40 is how much? 6000. That is the problem. Again, you need to come, you need to change here. You need to change here. That I don't want. I want how add is coming automatically. In the same way, 2000, 4000 also should print automatically. Understood? How add value is printing automatically. How add value is printing automatically. In the same way, the values also need to print. Values also should print. Yeah, try it. Yeah, Mega, that is correct. Yes, Navin, that is correct. Saiti also correct. Priyanka, you are wrong. Priyanka, you are wrong. Only one thing, ma. Whatever is the red color, that only will print. Now, what is the red color? Num1 and num2, that only will come. Red color, whatever it is there, that will come. Now, instead of this red color, what you need to make it as? Variable. Then how can you do that? Try it. Yes, Nikita, that is correct. Yes, Srishti, I already said, right? That is correct. Tell me, ma. You done? Executed? Show me. If you completed, show me. That's it. Simple. If you completed, show me. Yeah. I need the addition of, yes, correct. Yes. It is very simple, ma. It is not hard. We already learned the print statements. Because the addition of what is coming here? Number one. Number one is what? How much? 20. That is okay. Then you need to put comma again. And then and should be in the red color, and should be in the red color. Again, comma. Then the addition of number 1 and number 2 is. If you want to write is again, in the middle is. Print of. Now you see here the addition of. Okay, coming here. Now what should come next? 20 should come. What should come? 20. But you should not allow to write like this. Correct? You should not allow to write like this. That's why what you are doing? Comma num1. Now what will come? What will come now? Read it. The addition of. How many values are there inside? How many values are there? 2 values. Correct? The first value is what? The addition of. Second value is what? 20. Now run it. Now what you want your output should be? How your output should be? You want the addition of 20 and 40 is 60. Now 20 gone. After that what should be there? Then again, and is the English letter or it's a variable? Then again and. So what is coming? Addition of 20 and. Again what should be there? 40. Then comma. 40 saved in which variable? Num2. Addition of num1, 20 and 40. Next what should be there? What should be there next? Is. Next what will be there? Is. Again addition of 20 and 40 is. And next final what is there? Add. That's it. See? How you want to write? Simple. How you want to write the answer? Now if you give 200, if you give 400, automatically will come. 200 400 is 600. If you give 2000, 4000, same. Note down this. We'll do one more problem. Then you paste the code. Puneet. No, ఇది ఎక్స్ అనేది ఇది ప్రింట్ కదా, ప్రింట్ స్టోర్ చేయడానికి ఉండదు. ఇది వేరియబుల్, ఇది వాల్యూ కాదు కదా. ఇది ఓన్లీ వాల్యూ అయితేనే స్టోర్ చేస్తుంది, ఇలా స్టోర్ చేయరాదు. అప్పుడు నువ్వు ఏం చేయాలంటే ఓన్లీ ఇది ప్రింట్ తీసేయాలి. అప్పుడు ఇది కూడా తీసేయాలి. ఇప్పుడు నీకు 2 వస్తాయి మళ్ళా ఇందులో. ఇది ప్రింట్ని స్టోర్ చేయడానికి ఉండదు. మనకి ఎప్పుడైనా రైట్ సైడ్ ఎప్పుడైనా ఒక వాల్యూ ఉండాలి, లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఎప్పుడైనా ఒక వేరియబుల్ ఉండాలి. Yes. Everyone understood this? Easy? Able to write print now? Let's see now. Step 1. Step 1. Take a variable name. Okay? Take a variable name. Name equal to suppose some Python. Name equal to what? Python. And next step 2. Step 2. Take a one more variable. City. That is equal to Hyderabad. Take one more variable. Step 3. That is equal to age. Age is equal to 10. Now I need output like this. Print. I need output like this, ma. My name is Python. I came from Hyderabad and I am 10 years old. And this you need to use as a generalized one. Do this. Paste your answers in the chat and show me. Aja. Name equal to Python. Addition of okay. Num1. num2. The addition of num1. Okay, we'll go slowly. Tuple. This is problem with Python. Session 5. What this is? You open two ways. Okay, close the problem of this Python only. Now open. Where is the code now? The problem with Python. Okay. Now if you open a new notebook, that is fine. Okay. Coming no? No. The problem of Python. Sometimes it will come. That will be there. Not trusted means sometimes it will come like that only. Whenever you need to see, you understood your code, right? And you are confident your code. Then open your notebook and check it. Okay. That is only the problem with Python itself, not your problem. That's why another notebook it is running, right? Yeah, come and show me. Print my name is name, age is age. No. Where is the variable should come now instead of Hyderabad? Where is the variable? I ask you to take the variable like this. Name equal to your name, city equal to your city. Tomorrow I can change his name and his city. Automatically it should come, right? Like that. Yeah. Yes. Yes. Very good. 30. 30 years old has been. Yeah. Show me in the chat your answers. Mega is good. Srishti is good. Sait is good. My name is Python. I come from, yeah, good. No. Very easy it is. Yes, Naveen Konda is good. Yeah. 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 Admin is restricting. So I will talk to admin. Don't worry, Abhishek. Next time. Done. Hmm. How many are not done? Which one? Ma? End operator. End operator means joining. You can't end operator, but you can use separator operator inside one print. I will tell that. End means only two prints. How many are not done? Tell me. Still. How many are not done? It's very easy. First, everyone taken the variables. See, first, what is the name? Name equal to Python. Everyone has written this. And what is the city? Hyderabad. Everyone has written this. Age. Everyone written this 10. You are good. And next. Print my name is. So whenever my name is means my name is red color. Now instead of now what I need to get Python, right? So Python is saved in which variable? Name. So comma name. My name is Python. Good. And again comma. I am from. My name is Python. I am from. Again I am from where? Hyderabad, right? But Hyderabad is in which variable? City. So wherever variable is there, you need to replace with variable. Simple. You need to replace with variable. That is equal to city. And here, and how many years old? That is, and I am 10 years age and old. That's it. You can write anyway, ma. You can write anyway. Suppose if you want to do like this, okay, you can do like this. This is okay. Then you are doing one more print statement. Okay, I am 10 years old, right? Like this. I am, comma, age, old. Years old. What is coming? My name is Python. I am from Hyderabad. I am 10 years old. Suppose you can apply INT operator also here. And again, like space. Both are valid. Both are valid. Above one is valid, single line. And below line is two statements. And you are joining the two statements with the end operator. You can play with print statements now. You can write in any way. First, you need to fix what you want to write in your mind. And then write normal sentence. And then wherever the variable is there, replace it. Wherever the variables is there, replace it. Understood, everyone? Can you please confirm the chat? Understood, everyone? Still anyone has doubt, you can talk to me. And this is the right time. If you have doubts, you can mention me. Okay, we are good. But if you see this code, my name is comma name, comma I came from comma city, comma I am, comma age, comma years old. It is a khichdi. Okay, it is a very bad way of writing of code. You should not allow to write like this. Okay, it is a khichdi. It is a khichdi. You should not allow to write this. Never ever write like this. Okay. This is only just giving the idea to wake up your brain how to write the codes. But you are seeing a khichdi kind of thing, don't write that. Then how can you write? Come here. Let's see this. Look at the screen, ma. This is very, very important. Now onwards, you need to write like this. First, which statement you want to do? What is your statement? How do you want to write? The addition of 200 and 400 is 600. That is your output. This is your output. Listen very carefully. How many variables are there? How many variables are there here? 200 is one variable you replaced. 400 is one variable you replace. And 600 is one variable you replace. How many variables? 3 variables. Then you need to write that as a fill in the blanks. What you write, ma? You need to write as a fill in the blanks. The fill in the blanks in Python is the curly braces. Now it is called curly braces. Now what is there now? The addition of fill in the blank and fill in the blank is fill in the blank. Understood till now? Everyone? Let's see. Let's see. So 200 and 400. Now I want to print. How I want to write? I want to write like this. So my mind is thinking the addition of fill in the blank and fill in the blank is fill in the blank. Now this is the answer, right? The addition of, because it's red color. Red color, whatever you write, that will print. Where it is the name, where it is the number, where it is the symbol, red color means that only it will print. Because curly braces in which color? That's why it is coming as a curly braces. The addition of 200 and 300 is 400. Now you need to fill the blanks for the dot. What unit is ma? Dot format. What unit use? Format. Dot format bracket open. How many values you need to fill? 3 values. Give the 3 values. Num1, comma, num2, comma, add. Order should be maintained. Order should be maintained. First fill in the blank will taken as num1. Second fill in the blank taken as num2. Third fill in the blank is taken as add. Then it will come. See? So this is the beauty of to write the code. So to avoid that khichdi, practice like this. Yeah, do it, everyone. Yeah. So those who are after recording videos, okay, those who are after recording videos, madam has shared the email. Please check, verify your email, okay? Please verify your emails. Now implement the same thing, name and this everything like that. Try it. Name Python, city Hyderabad, age 10. Now implement like this. So what your sentence should be? First fix your sentence. My name is Python. I am from Hyderabad and my age is 10 years old. Now how many variables are there? Python is one variable. Correct? I am from Hyderabad is one fill in the blank. My age is 10 years old is the another fill in the blank. Now fill the blanks. Now fill the blanks. Now fill the blanks. My name is Python. I am from Hyderabad. My age is 10 years old. Now fill the blanks. Simply apply dot format and provide the values. What is print add, Ashwini? I don't get you. Ashwini C. I will write this code, sir. Do it. Done, everyone? Easy. Dot format of how many fill in the blanks are there? 3. So what is the first one? Name. Second one, city. Third one, age. If you reverse the age here and city there, what will come? Reverse will come. My name is 10. I am from Hyderabad. My age is Python year old. Okay, truth cannot be reverse. Only lies can be reverse. Okay, if you want to identify if someone say truth, just ask him to say reverse. Okay, then you'll understand. Is it truth or lie? That is a trick. Okay. People will follow. Especially police people will follow. Yeah, you are good. Yeah, next. Now, step 1. Value 1 is equal to value 1 equal to 200, and step 2, value 2 is equal to 300. Step 3, add equal to value 1 plus value 2. Step 4, subtraction equal to value 1 minus value 2. Step 5, multiplication equal to value 1, multiplication equal to value 1 into value 2. Step 6, division, value 1 divided by value 2, and then print the addition of value 1 and value 2. 200 and 300 is, that is equal to 6000. This is the output I need. This is the output I need. I need output in the format method. And next, like that, 4 outputs. 600, huh? 3 into 26, correct? You want easy? 20 and 30. Sorry, yeah. 50. Which one is 50, ma? Addition is 50. Printing mistake, ma. Sorry. Subtraction. Don't worry about the values, worry about the code, okay? Subtraction 20 and 30 is, that is equal to 600. And similarly, multiplication. So sorry, subtractment minus 10, right? Again, I am doing mistake. Multiplication of 20 and 30 is 600. And finally, division of 20 and 30 is 20 by 30. How much, ma? 1.666, huh? Or 0.66? 0.666. Yeah, do it. Just do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. That's all. And print everything in the format method. Print everything in the format method. Sahiti has taken, let's see. What Sahiti answer? So whenever you are getting like this, you need to do round off ma for division operator. So many sixes coming, right? So do the round off. ROUND bracket comma 2. Then it will stop to only 2 digits. You will end, right? ROUND. Now see 0.67. Round off kar do. Round off comma 2. Round up to comma 2. That is good. And Priyanka also good. Again, same. What you need to do? Round off. ROUND. You can do here or you can do here also if you want. But here so many brackets are there, right? You will confuse. Whenever the more brackets are there, people might confuse by closing and opening brackets. So I request you to simply take ROUND bracket open. This is the entire thing is one value, comma 2, again bracket close. Again bracket close. This is good. Yeah, do it fast. Addition of value, add 1. Gaddam Soumya, Gaddam Puneet. Both are relatives or what? Yes. If you remove the round of what is coming, ma? Priyanka. What is the division value is coming? Tell me, Priyanka, what is this value? What is the value is coming? 0.666, right? Now you tell me if I put round off, what is coming? You tell me. You only will tell now. I will not tell. If I keep 2, what is the answer now is coming? Tell me what is the both differences? Priyanka. What is the difference? See, now you said, oh, okay. That's it. Everyone will learn by themselves only. That is, if you want to keep 3, then 3 will come. Yeah, how many are done? Raise your hands. Good. Very good. Now let's see one more important thing is. So this is answer ma. If you are not able done still, please ask me. That is. So 20 by 30. Okay. 20 per modulus 30. Okay. And 20 this 30. So this only single means division operator ma. Division. What is the operator? Division. And this modulus operator. What is this called? Is called modulus operator. Modulus. And this operator is called floor division. What the operator is called? Floor division. One is called normal division and another one is called modulus. Another one is called floor division. Another one is called floor division. Yes. Yes, Vikash. Now come here. Let's see here, everyone. Look at the board. So 20 by 30. 20 by 30, ma. It is a normal calculation. Normal calculation. 0, 0 cancel. And 3. What will get? 0.666 you will get. Okay. The normal division. Normal division. That only you are running here. Now when I am running this, what is coming? Normal division is coming. 0.666 coming, right? Now listen here. The same thing in our childhood we learn like this, right? 30, 20, like this. 30, 20. Like this we are getting. Suppose reverse it. Easily you will calculate it. 20 by 30. What do you want to do? Sorry, 30 by 20. 30 by 20. Just reverse it. 30 by 20 and take only 3 by 2. That is very simple. No need complicated. 3 by 2. What is coming? 2 here, 3 here. And how can you write? 2 ones are 2. What is the remainder? 1. So remainder here, what is this meaning? What is this meaning? Quotient in English. Telugu ఏంటిది? విభాజకం, విభాజ్యం, శేషం. Do you know Telugu? Who is విభాజకం here? విభాజకం. So this is called quotient, ma. This is called what happened? Quotient. And this is what happened? Remainder. If you want to get this value, you need to do in Python floor division. If you want to get remainder in Python, you need to do modulus operator. Clear? We want remainder, which operator you need to use? Modulus. If you want to do quotient, which operator you need to do? Floor division. And just try it now. Now let's see here. We will take 5 by 2. What will take? 5 floor division 2. So floor division. Sorry, I made a mistake or what? 5 floor division. My bad, that is. Give me 1 minute now. That is my bad. I written reversely. So 5 percentile 2. That is called 1. So 2 2s are 4. Now let's come to here. Now 2 here, 5 here. Now how much? 2 2s are 4. What is the remainder? 1. So in order to, you need to get what you need to do? 5 modulus 2. And in order to, you get what you need to do? 5 floor division 2. Okay. Generally, if you do 5 by 2, what will come? General division, what will give answer? 2.5. What will give? 2.5. Simple. 2.5. So print of 5 by 2, print of 5 floor division 2, and print of 5 percentile 2. So it is a normal division, and it is called floor division. Floor division will give quotient, and it is called modulus operator, and that is called remainder. It is called remainder. Note on this. Division, floor division, modulus operator. Easy? No hard thing? Take a pen and book and do it. If you are not able to get. Okay, that is easy. Yeah. Shall we move on next now? Let's see the next code. Suppose now you are taking this code, value 1, value 2, value 1, value 2. I'm taking this code, add code. This is important concept, ma, listen carefully. You are getting add 20 and 30, why value 1, value 2, okay. Given value 1, val 2. 200 and 300 is 500. Now this is you provided manually, right? This value 200 provided by manually. Okay, I given value, I provided. And here also 300 is who provided? I only provided. Now suppose this should be provided by your friend from his keyboard. This should be provided by your friend from his keyboard once you share this code to your friend. That means you should not allow to enter 200 manually, like 200, 200. Like that is not allowed. So for that what happened? Now you see, ma, there is a keyword called input keyword. What is the keyword called? Input. The keyword name is called input. Input. Okay. It is in which color? Green color. Green color means keyword. Input of bracket. Listen very carefully. You will do so many mistakes here, everyone. Entire class, look at the board. Now when I run this, a box will open. When I run, what happen? A box will open. And this box will run until unless you need to write some value inside. See, what is color is there? Black color. Black color means kernel is busy. Black color means what happened? Kernel is busy. And what is this color? Star color. Star color means also kernel is busy. Now enter some value 20. Enter some value 20. And again, you need to do press enter. Again, what you need to do? You need to press enter. Then only it will stop. Otherwise, it will keep on runs only. Again, I am repeating, ma. Input of bracket. Then what will happen? A box will open. You write anything. Python, you written. Not only written is not only enough, ma. You need to again enter it. You need to again enter it. Then only the star mark will go. Again, you can enter it. That means your star mark will go. That is. Now again, let's see here. Suppose Python input I am writing. Now I am writing a equal to 50 also. I am not closing this. Still it is the kernel is busy. Now I want to print a equal 50. Now a equal 50 is coming? No. Why? Because it is already busy with doing above line. It will not do here. Understood, everyone? So first you need to close this. First you need to close this. Suppose 100, then enter, then 2 will come. First you need to close this. This will you do general mistake, ma. You will do like this. You will do like here, and you will ask me, sir, this is not running. You will ask me in future. Okay. So what is the mistake? You need to clear your box first. 200. That is. Let's see here. I will show you that. What, ma? Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Everyone understood that? Can you please try? Can you try once? Everyone understood? Are you trying? That keyboard will take only string. Keyboard will take only string. Whatever you type, whether 200, the answer is in which format? My default string format only. Answer in which format? String format. That is the important observation. So first observation is you need to enter box here. You need to close the box. Remember that. Close the box. Enter 300 and enter it. And second one is, look at here. Input of, you can write enter something, ma. Enter a number. Enter a number. Then it will come like this. Enter a number. That means you are telling your friend. What you are telling your friend? Enter some number here. Enter some number here. He will enter 300. Then that is called 300. Again, input of. You want to write anything now? Red color means what? Anything you can write that will print. That is the red color. So now enter some value. Enter some name. Enter some name. What will come now? Enter some name will come. Enter some name will come. That is equal to Python. Now name and Python, if you want to provide some colon, provide colon like this. What will come now? Enter some name colon. That is called apple. Now I want to write like this. Input of what is A for? And input of what is B for? Now first line what will run? Python is a step-by-step process. First line what will come? What is A for will come. It will there only until unless you need to enter the name. So A for is apple. Then not only type, you need to what? You need to enter it. You need to enter. Then it will redirect to second line. B for ball. Like this. B for ball. Clear? Right? Do the drill around this. Everyone individually. Nikita, you are very fast. Am I skipping anything, Nikita, for here? Nikita. Please wait, allow me some time. Okay, yeah, you are very fast. You are curious. Okay. That much curious is not required when we have in the entire classroom. Okay. We are going step by step, right? You are asked me here only. But I need to show this also. I need to show this also. Otherwise, other people will lose. So we'll do so many questions. Don't worry. Multiple inputs you want to make as a list, ma. You want to make a list and tuples like that. Multiple inputs. Okay, you want to make a list and tuples. Time will come. Everything I will teach, ma. Don't worry about that. I didn't print. A didn't print because no, that is no print, right? I think this girl is confused about basic mistake. Mega, tell me num1 is equal to 60 and num2 is equal to 80. Now num1 and num2, which will come? Which we can see the answer. Today class started with this only. Understood, Mega? Not only Mega, tell me which answer will come here if I run this. Num2, right? That's why we learn print, right? That's why we learn print. Now Mega is asking why A is not coming. Because what is the latest? That only will print, na? That is the basic. Like that you will forget. We started our session with what? This only. We started our session with this only. We started our session with this only. I told now. See? We started today's session with this only, Mega. Okay. Now let's come to here. One more thing. Understood, everyone? Let's see. Now I am saving this into one variable. Okay. Name1. Now I'm saving to this into another variable. Name2. So you can provide the values and you can save into some another variables. Now this input, what is A for is what is answer? Apple. Now apple will save into name1. Now apple into same name into same one. That means, listen very carefully. Instead of you want to provide name1 is equal to apple like this. Now you are providing by using from what? Keyboard. You are providing from keyboard. So same thing now. What is A for? Apple. Now apple will save in which variable? Name 1. Then enter it. Now what is next one? Ball. Now ball is saved in which variable? Name 2. Now print that. Now print the name 1 and name 2. So print of name 1 comma name 2. Apple and ball. Instead of providing manually, now we are taking the help of whom? Keyboard. That's all, simple. We are taking the help of keyboard. That is called name. That is called name. Input keyboard. Clear everyone? Run it. Just explore yourself. We'll do some codes on this. Just explore yourself. We are just in entire thing is nothing but that is called apple. Apple is saved in name 1. And then you do print of name 1 comma name 2. Now apple first one, ball is second one, apple and ball is third one. Python is a step-by-step process. Now if you want to print next, print of name 2. Again, A for apple, B for ball. And what is the third option? First apple will print and next ball will print. Next apple will print, ball will print. But make sure that you need to enter the box. Otherwise, your code still running only. I don't want this kind of approach. See here. I will show you one guy. Okay. See, he's saying that, sir, I'm not running. Code is not running. Tell me, what should I do after 10 days of Python class? Tell me, what should I do? After 10 days of Python class, what should I do? He's not entering. I ask him, what is that? I ask him, na? I ask him, take a number equal to input of enter the number. And in the next cell, type the number of number. Then he is typing inside the box. He's typing inside the box. And that too you are not entering. Tell me, what should I do after 10 days of Python class? Again, Allah, Christ, Jesus, no one will help. This kind of approach it is there. Really, no one will help. That's why I understand practice is required. He is not practicing at all. That is the meaning. He is not opening the laptop. He is not practicing at all. In the class only he is trying to do and he is getting the errors. I ask him this. What I ask him like this actually. See here. I ask him number equal to input of enter number and then print the type of number I asked him. Then he is doing like this. He is understood this type of number here. You should enter 10, then 10 will save in which variable? Number, then type of number is called what? str. So I want to explain him, whenever you take anything from keyboard, that's the default which type? String type. I want to show him that. Okay, whenever you take from anything from keyboard, what is the type? String type. Now perform this operation, everyone, and show me the answer. Now everyone, instead of taking 200, 300, take from keyboard. Yeah, show me the answer. What is the answer? Take from keyboard. Take from keyboard. Ask the user, enter value from keyboard. If you're not practice, I can't do anything, ma. Ask the user, enter value from keyboard. and print the addition value. Ask the user enter value from keyboard. What is the answer? Abhishek. Input of give me 1 minute, ma. What is coming? Input of inside enter the number. Enter val1. Enter val1. What is the next one? Input of enter val2. Okay. Now run it. 20 and 30. The answer is coming what? 20, 30. It is supposed to come what? 50. What is the problem here? Whenever you are asking from keyboard, what is the type, ma? String type. What is the type? String type. So here val1 is nothing but actually a 20. See? 20 in quotes. And val2 is nothing but what? 30 in quotes. So when you print val1 plus val2 is nothing but 20 plus 30. It is called 20, 30. It is called 20, 30. You are adding two strings. We are adding two strings. So that is the problem. Val1, val2. Input of. So what we need to do? We need to convert string into integer. What we need to do? We need to convert string to integer. You already know how to convert, right? Suppose tell me. Val1 is nothing but, now what you do? Int of val1. Like that you need to do. Int of val1. Now let's see here. How we will do. Understood, Priyanka? What is the problem in your code? Understood, everyone? Can you please confirm the chat? Here, everyone understood, right? What is the problem? No issue. Now, only what we need to do? We need to typecast. For typecast, what we need to do? This entire thing is giving the value, correct? Assume the entire thing is a value. So, you need to provide here only conversion. Int of bracket. Int of bracket. Int of input of. Int of input. This is mantra. Int of input of. Int of input of is a mantra. Okay, next what is there? Int of input of. Int of input of. This is the entire thing is one value, right? The entire thing is nothing but what? It is nothing but you are doing int of 20. Int of 20. The 20 is coming where? From keyboard. Keyboard is nothing but what? Input of. And same way again, int of, again, input of. Nothing but now here int of 30. Now the answer is become what happened here? 20. Here what happened? 30. Now here step 3, 20 plus 30, that is equal to 50. Now Python is the last value. Step by step. Here only how many steps are doing? First you are entering and then you are doing what you are doing? Converting. You are entering and converting. The conversion value 20 is stored in which variable? Value 1. The conversion value 30 is stored in which variable? Value 2. Value 2. Like that you need to think step by step. Now just run it. 20 and 30. Now you will see 50. Yeah, note down this. Everyone. Want to go? You packed? You want to go? Okay. If you want to go, you can leave. No problem. Yeah, do it this everyone. Input of enter. Now this is a mantra ma. Int of input of. Int of input of. It is a mantra. You can ask me. Look at the board here once. Look at the board. You can ask me, sir, I don't want give here. I want it different way. Now what you are doing? Look at the screen once. Okay. Then you will note down. Now you are removing this bracket. You are removing this bracket. Now when I ask 20, what is the value 1? It is the quotes 20, correct? Val 1 is what? Quotes 20. Val 1 is equal to quotes 20. Now it is what is there? Val 2 is equal to again quotes 30. If you want to convert, you can convert here also. Int of conversion here. Here also what happened? Int of conversion. That also you can write. It is nothing but what happened? Int of 20 plus int of 30. Int of 20 means what is the answer? 20 plus 30. That's all. Like that also you can do. Like that also you can do. Understood? Either you want to convert here, it is no problem. Or you want to convert here also, is not a problem. But people will generally prefer this only. People will generally prefer this. Note down this now. Try it, execute it. Execute it. Still you are not getting, please ask me. Execute it. Understand what is internal happening. Int of 20, int of 30. Execute it. They will take more 10 minutes and will close. Where is your Mega? Where is your code? Show me your code. Paste your code. I will run and I will show you what is the error. Paste your code. So Mega saying that she has some error. Let's see what is the error is coming. Okay. Okay, 20, 30. I'm not seeing any error. What is the mistake in this code? It is minus is there, right? Not equal. What is there here? Minus is there. It is not equal. It should be what? Equal. It should be equal. It should be equal. Understood, Mega? Yes. Yeah, note down. Please note down, ma. Type it, everyone. Int of input of. Int of input of. Don't do this. This is another method. Don't do this kind of thing. Understand Python is a step-by-step process. Okay, only that thing only you need to keep in your mind. Every line you need to think. Every line. Now let's do one more thing. Okay. Number 1 is equal to I want 100 and number 2 is equal to I want 200.5. And do the same operation with these numbers. Number 1 equal to 100. Number 2 equal to 100.5. Now do that. Yes, Santosh, you need to go to that. There's a kernel option is there in the above. Santosh, are you seeing the kernel? This is one option and there's a seeing a square box. This is a interrupt the kernel. You can interrupt it. Or you can go to kernel, you can restart and clear output. Two things you can do. One is you can restart and clear outputs. All the outputs will gone. Sir, I don't want all the outputs gone. I just want to interrupt the keyboard, then select the cell and interrupt the keyboard. Square box. So you know number 1 is equal to which value here? Integer. So what you will apply? Int of input of enter a number 1. And second one is what value? Float. Then float of input of enter number 2. Then print of number 1. I'm writing directly number 2. So first value is equal to 100 and second value is equal to 200.5. It will works. It will works. Now if you want to 100 and 200 also will works. But when it will not work? That is the question. Now tell me, yesterday we learned when it will not work. When it will not work? Int of 200. Int of 200.5. Float of 200. Float of 200.5. When will not work? Which one is not work? Tell me out of these 4. Which one is not work? Tell me loudly. Int of 200.5. First one will not work. Arey bhai, Santosh. What we can here? 200. 200. 200.5. Float में work होता, int में work होता. Clear? That is first one. Which one will fail? Suppose if you provide 200.5 in the above, it will fail. That yesterday we seen, right? Float is the boss. Float you can give any value, it will work. Float is the boss. If you give 200, it will work. 200.5 will work. But in integer, only int value only will work. If you give float value, it will be fail. So this works. This works. And this fail. This fail. And this also works. And this also works. So you need to be conscious which one you want to provide. That only you need to provide here, right? Otherwise it will fail. Int means the pakka you need to provide integer value only. Int means pakka you need to provide integer value only. Understood this, everyone? Can you please confirm the chat? If I provide the float value here, it will be fail. It will be fail. Understood, Santosh? Mega, Nikita, understood everyone? Very good. You can give string value, you can't give, no? That will fail. We already seen. Yesterday we have seen, right? Int of apple, what will happen? You don't want integer, then it will work. No? That only we have already seen, right? 20 and 30 we already seen now here. This. What happened? What is the answer here? Only 20. What is the next answer? Only 30. What is the final answer? Understood? This is the second one is what? 20 plus 30. What is the answer? 20, 30. Not 50. It's a quotes, na? It is a quotes. 20 is in quotes. It's a string. It will look like A plus B. What is the answer? Like that. String is in quotes. That's why we are converting. If 20, 30 is coming, that's why we are learning the conversion. While we are learning, what we observe the problem? If we provide integer any float value, it will be fail. That is the problem we learn. This I teach to my father. My father is confused. What is confused? Do I practice every day or do I remember every day this? By mistake, if I give the wrong value, my code will gone. Then he is not happy. Then I said one more logic. So no int, no float. There is a one more keyword will be there. It will take automatically whatever the value is there. If you provide integer, it will take integer. You provide float, you provide float. Now let's see. And that keyword is called eval keyword. Eval keyword. What is the keyword, ma? Eval. Now look at the board and next you write. Okay, look at the board first. Look at the screen. Now instead of int, you write eval. Instead of float, write eval. Now onward the mantra is eval of input of. Simple. What is the mantra? Eval of input of. Now give 100. Okay. Now give 200. 300 is coming. Now give 100.5. Give 200.5. 301.0. Now give 100. Give 100.5. 200.5. No need to provide integer. No need to provide float. Automatically it will take care of what is the value. That is called eval concept. Important interview question. We got the problem now. Where is the problem? We got the problem of 200.5. This will not work, right? This will fail. This will fail. So you need to be always in the conscious. Whenever you are writing int, you need to provide only integer value. But that is not a good solution, right? So what is the good solution? Eval is a good solution. Now you see, the type is nothing but automatically the type 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 of num1. Which value you entered in num1? 100. What is the type of num1? Integer. Now check it. Integer came. Which value enter in num2? Float. Now check the num2. What is the type? Float. Automatically it is taking whatever the value it is. No need to provide the integer. No need to provide the float. Directly only one concept, that is called eval of input of. Now onwards you need to write what? Eval of input of. If you not provide eval, default what is the type? String type. If you not provide, what is the type? String type. So that is called eval of that. Yes, Ravi. You can call me, we'll understand, we'll do that. So the 4 things, ma. Now I will write, you will tell me, okay? Then we'll close. 4 things. V1 equal to input of enter V1. V2 is equal to int of input of enter V2. And V3 is equal to float of input of enter V3. And finally, V4 equal to eval of input of enter V4. Tell me first one, what is the type? V1 is which type? String type. Whatever you take from keyboard, that is which type? String type. Second one is which type? V2 is which type? Integer. Third is which type? Float type. Fourth is which type? Fourth is which type? It can be depends on what you provided value. It can depends on what you provided value. Depends on provided value. Okay, depends on provided value. What when it will fail generally? It is fail if you provide V2. If you provide V2, then if you provide 200.5, then it will fail. To avoid this drawback, because we are very lazy fellows, we don't want to think that much, right? To avoid the drawback, we are using only eval. Now, if you take the eval, automatically print of type of V4. If I take 200, what is the type? Integer type. If I take 200.5, what is the type? Float type. But if I take apple, what will happen? Eval means, what is the English meaning of eval? Evaluate. Evaluate is the mathematics concept or English language concept? Mathematics concept. So you are providing what? String. It will fail. Eval is nothing but is a mathematics. That's a common sense, right? Evaluate. I want to evaluate your marks, your exam, like that. It will fail. It will be fail. So eval is for only numbers. Eval is only for numbers. Eval is only for numbers. Okay, now we'll give 2 assignment questions. You can complete after the festival, that is. First of all, repeat the same thing by everything by using eval concept. This one. Could I paste some questions? This is by using eval concept. Eval concept. And the second thing is, take 3 numbers, A, B, and C from the keyboard, and find the sum and average. Okay, take 3 numbers A and B and C and find the sum and find the average. So I will give 2. I will paste one Word document of 5 questions. Okay, I will paste the Word document and 5 questions in the Google Classroom. We will notify here the Google Classroom. So if you go to the classwork, the Python assignment also you will see. Textbook you are seeing, basics you are seeing, syllabus you are seeing, guide you are seeing. In the same way, you will see assignment. You need to submit in the PDF format. Which format? PDF format. How can you do that? Control P karo. What will do? Control P and save it. Control P and save it. Again, I'm repeating, ma. Don't upload .ipynb file. Don't upload .ipynb files. If you upload this, I will not check your answers because I need to download this. I need to download first. I need to open Jupyter Notebook. And I need to check. So it is a kind of you are giving punishment to me. Okay, it is a kind of giving a punishment. Don't give punishment to me. Okay, I need to download first, and I need to open Jupyter Notebook. Suppose if you upload the PDF file, simply I can do like this. See here, PDF format uploaded everywhere. I can directly open like this. I can check your answers in the PDF format like this. Okay, in my mobile phone also I can check. But if you download the IPNB files, what happen? I can't download again. I need to open there. So that is the problem. That's why please upload in which format? PDF format. How can you upload PDF format? Control P and save in your local and upload it. Okay. And don't ask me how to upload. Okay. Your UI is different. My UI is different. Ma. Understand that. I can't say to you how to upload. This is, I am a trainer, not a student, right? So my UI is different. I'm in the teacher category. This is my UI. Your UI is different. You need to verify how to upload the Google Classroom. Okay. I hope you can do that because you are not kids. Okay. If you are still any doubts, message me. Yesterday file I already shared, Suresh. I hope. Yesterday file I already shared. I can show you if you want. Might be. What is yesterday one? Typecasting. See? Every day I will share the files. Okay. Don't worry. Only thing is you need to check. You need to check. Yesterday only I uploaded. Every files I will upload. If I will not upload, how can you practice? Okay. Believe me. Trust me. I will upload every day. Okay. Don't ask me again that. So please upload. Because what happened? First time only you will get notification. Second time onwards you will not get notification. Remember that. If I create a new folder only, then only you will get a notification. This folder is already created. So you will not get a notification when I upload the new files. So that's why people will confuse. Okay, but I will upload the files. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much. If you have any doubts, ask me now, Priyanka. Yeah, tell me. Questions. I will share the upload the document now. I will upload this document. Let's see here. The document will be like this, ma. The document will be like this. If we want leave, we can leave, ma. Don't worry. That is basics one. Yeah, these are 5 questions. Okay. Just upload these 5 questions and you just execute that. Okay. Simple only. Take the user 5 and print 25 and x into 2x into 5x. 2.2 pounds in convert into kilogram, total and average. Tip. You want a bill is a 1000 rupees. If you want to provide 10% tip, then 100 rupees calculation, upload it. All are simple calculations. Okay, chalo. Thank you so much. No class on Monday, Santosh Kumar. Again, I'm repeating. Okay. Class is next Thursday. Class is next Thursday. We are declaring holidays. Dasara holidays. Okay, I will announce here only. Otherwise, you'll confuse again. Next class. Hello, students. We are giving Dasara holidays. Holidays. From 22nd to 22nd October to come on. Show me where is your input. You're already taken, right? Write something now. Input of enter eval, right? Input of show me. Unable to print. Which one? Control P is not working. Working now. You need to go print first. Anyhow, printer is not there for you, right? Then what happens? There is a save option will come. Oh, no, printer is there, no? If the printer is there, I think here some save option will be there. print. Save as PDF. Now click on that, the button, save button will come. Now you need to enter some value here. Enter some value. Now enter karo. Enter. Now shift enter. Just enter is enough. Okay, done. Now what happened? Now you need to save this value. You need to provide some variable. How? Now give some val1 equal to again input of bracket input of bracket colon, enter the number. No, not like this. Quotations. Red color. Enter number. Yeah, I will reply, ma. Priyanka, Nikita, I will reply. Now enter something. 20. Now this 20 is saved in which variable? Now enter type value 1 now. Run it. Run it. Now what is coming? 20. But 20 is in which format? String format. So you need to convert into integer. You have to add two numbers. You have to add two numbers. What will happen? Now give value 1, value 2. Two numbers. Value 1 equal to input of enter the number 1 and second line. Not for complex, ma. Like this, you already converted, right? 2 plus 2. That is. You need to convert, that is. Yeah. On a value 2 input of enter value 1. What happened? Output and double quotes will not come. Only single quotes will come. And output. B ki Z majelo na. Now show me value 1 plus value 2. Print value 1 plus value 2. So print of B wali Z wali ఈ బెడ్ ని మాత్రం డబుల్ కోట్స్ లో పెట్టాలి. స్టార్టింగ్ అండ్ ఎండింగ్ సింగిల్ కోట్స్ ఉండాలి, మిగతా డబుల్ కోట్స్ లో ఉండాలి. అలా వర్క్ అవుతుంది. లేదు అంటే దీన్ని స్టార్టింగ్ లో ఎండింగ్ లో డబుల్ కోట్ ఇవ్వాలి, లోపల సింగిల్ ఇవ్వాలి. గివ్ సమ్ 20. అగైన్ ఎంటర్. గివ్ సమ్ 40. అగైన్ ఎంటర్. Now value 1, value 2. You need to print now, then only you'll know answer. Print it. Print of val 1, print of val 2. Run it again. 20, 40. What is coming? Why? Tell me. 20, 40, 60 should come, right? Why it is coming? Because what is the coming here? Quotes. Are you seeing quotes? Quotes means what? String. So string is nothing. Now write 20 in strings. 20 in strings. 20 plus outside quotes. Outside quotes plus again quotes 40. Now run it. What is coming? That is also taking like this. This is saved in 20. This is saved in 40. 20 plus 40. What is coming? This is 20 plus 40. 20, 40 is coming. So that's why we are converting. We are converting into integer. That's why we are applying eval before. Eval. Now give eval here. Equal to eval bracket open bracket close. Same way, bracket open, bracket close. Tell me more. Now run the same. 20, run it. 20, 40, answer will come 60. Understood? हमेशा string में आता. But that is the software is developed like that only.
और सर एक क्वेश्चन आपने दिया था वो एवरेज करने का सर एवरेज का फॉर्मूला जो डाल सकते हैं जैसे
200 plus 300 plus 400 by 3.
सर उसके लिए एवरेज इक्वल
टू a plus b plus c by bracket by month.
उसके बाद फिर नीचे प्रिंट एवरेज करते
yeah. Understood ma? Now because 20 is in 20 is in quotes, right? It is string. Now write a here. Write a in quotes. A in quotes. Write a in quotes plus a plus write b. Now what is the answer? Tell me. AB. Run it. Now same also 20 is in quotes. 40 in quotes. So what is the answer? 20, 40. If you read one more quotes, 60 will come. Give plus. Give in quotes a. Yeah. Not what is the answer will come? Where we changed? We changed here that in the name in the which value? Value 1, right? Here it is no value 1. Here you enter newly. It will come 60. Now take new cell from here. Click on. Take new cell. Now type value 1. Plus value 2. 60. Because the value is stored in value 1. Value is stored in value 2. So that is stored in with your name. And that is stored in other guy name. So I need to call only you, then only the value will come. Okay, if you give direct 20, it will not come. 20 means 20 only. Okay. Then input of unit, right? Same. Input of enter the number. We'll enter into the box that will save in which variable? Value 1. Here 20 is saved in which variable? Value 1. 20 is saved in which variable? Value 1. Once the box will come, when you enter the value also, that will also come in which variable? Value 1. But that time, again. But again, you need to convert into string to number. Eval unit use. Just replace 20 with eval of input of enter the number. Okay, do it now. Just sit and do it. Replace 20. Remove the 20. Eval of. Tell me more. Separator order. Separator. Slash and slash అనేది న్యూ లైన్ న్యూ ట్యాబ్ కోసం వాడతాం. అది చెప్తా దీంట్లో చెప్తా. నువ్వు ఎవాల్ అని రాసినప్పుడు తీసుకోరాదు, ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది కదా. ఇది ఒకసారి ఎంటర్ అయ్యి ఇక్కడ.
L of input of date. Then print X. K, na? Then getting error.
ఓకే సార్ నేను ఎంటర్ చేయడమే స్ట్రింగ్ లో ఎంటర్ చేస్తున్నా సార్.
So eval of input of you are entering in string.
String.
Okay, you are then it is taking like this. Is H. Okay, it is taking like this. But here what happened? The X value you take, that is H. And this is the only drawback actually it is there. That is the next class we will discuss. Okay, this is the drawback. But if you write like this, write normally the same way, it will not work. Because this both are equal, right? Not one. But the drawback. Some drawbacks are there that we need to discuss in next class. These are one drawback. And some other drawbacks also is there. The format only this. And that's why you ask this separate operator is there. Want to divide the prints inside. That's where it will come like this. Put options. You do like this. You're saying in of bracket this coming like first one. You are not maintaining anything, right? You're not maintaining anything. Suppose let's say here 20. Okay. Now you consider here val 1. Now you enter anything, 200. Or val 1 is equal to 200. But what happened? This inside value is taking. Inside value is taking. That is again it is coming as input with it only string on. If you want to convert it to string to some other thing, then you need to suppose you are entering like this. Apple. Okay. Then you will take as that apple. Even if you give float also like that. That will not work.
After it will take it.
Whatever it is, whatever.
From the input will take the string.
Because what is that? First thing you are taking input. That only it is you are taking like box. It will not work. Right? కిలోమీటర్లు బైక్ జాగ్రత్త హెల్మెట్ పెట్టుకోండి నేను వాట్సాప్ చేస్తాను నేను ఒక అమ్మాయి ఉంది అమ్మాయి తీసుకుంటాను ఓకే ఏం చేద్దాం అమ్మాయి ఉంది go to documents. Okay, this is data science. Is there knowledge of document data science? Then you need to open for Jupyter notebook. Where is your Jupyter notebook? This is your Jupyter command. Where is the Python code? Where you are writing Python code? No, this is a tab. Redirecting. Open in the Google. See, open here. Okay. First we need to open this. It will ask you to open here in this as a Google app. Now where is the documents in the documents? Is the data set. You need to open section 2. Here you have to print it. print it to PDF. Control P. Hmm. 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 You can't open that. You need to download. Now, where you download it? Show me. This is my. This is yours or mine? Download my course. A simple now. You can go to here only. Okay. You do Control Shift N. Omkar Sir. Okay. Omkar Sir. Okay. Then copy this all. Come to here. Where downloads. Okay. Put Control button. 1, 2, 3. Right control. Cut it. Okay. Come to Omkar Sir folder. Paste it. Control. Where you will stay? Ikkadamma? Rajendra Nagar. How you will go? Your father will come. Rajendra Nagar is too far, no? Wow. Chalo.